Hello guys, welcome back to our channel RD Creatives. Sorry for very long gap, but we have our exams and also festivals we have, so we do not get the time for making the video. Now this video is about explosion box that we have made for our father 2-3 years ago. It is very beautiful and very simple. If any question, comment below, and please support our channel. Please share, subscribe and like to our videos. Please support us. After seeing this video, please share, like and subscribe to our channel. Please support us. Now coming on this video, explosion box is very easy and very nice. We will also make how to make explosion box after some days, but now that is ready made, so we will see you how it is looking, how we have made that will make afterwards video, but now you will see how it looks and how it's beautiful. So this is the explosion box that we have made. This is a plain white paper, but we have done flowers on it from the marker pen, and what it looks from the outside. It's very simple. And now let's open it, what we have done inside. We love you, Dad, and happy birthday. Then here it will get open. Thoughts we have written here. Now let's open the explosion box. I hope you are excited to see it from inside. So how it looks from the inside. It's very beautiful. We have written happy birthday to our dear dad, Papa. This is lase we have used it for decorating it. It is giving look to hold this explosion box from the inside. Now first we will see this section. No, this will be we will see in the last. First this one, we will start from this one. It's very nice. Best wishes for you, Dad. We have written now back side of it. This is waterfall. It's very easy and nice. Once you get idea, it will be very easy to make it, but you have to make it very clearly and very nice, otherwise it will not open very nicely. It will not open smoothly. This is our family photo. It's a photo we have printed, color print photo we have used in it. Now let's open this. And father, here, happy birthday dear Dadu. We are so lucky that you are father of us, and inside it we have letters for our dad. My mother, father, the photo of them. That is me and my sister with father and my brother with my mother. Now this section, this is also very beautiful. smiley comes very nicely upside. It looks very nice. Again waterfall here. Now the turn of my favorite section, the last and fourth section of the explosion box. See, some letters for our dad. It's very beautiful. I just loved it here. Photo of my mom and dad. So we have written here Papa and Mummy. Again we have used less here. Then this will open from the ear corner. Hard to open and it is also very hard to make, but we have made it for our mother and father, so it's okay. So what whole explosion box looks like from the inside. I hope you like this explosion box. If you like, then please like and share to this video, and also subscribe to our channel. So this is for this video. Okay, bye. We will meet you in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you and tata.